If you're looking for an easy way to become a millionaire through YouTube video scripts, it's important to manage your expectations. While there are successful YouTubers who have made significant amounts of money, it takes time, effort, and the right strategy to achieve that level of success. Here are some steps to consider. Choose a niche. Start by identifying a niche or topic that you are passionate about and that has a potential audience. This will help you differentiate yourself from the competition and attract viewers interested in your content. Research and plan. Spend time researching your chosen niche to understand what kind of content is in demand. Develop a content plan and brainstorm video ideas that align with your target audience's interests. Script writing. Take the time to craft well thought out scripts for your videos. Your script should be engaging, informative, and tailored to your target audience. Make sure to include a clear call to action and an engaging introduction to hook viewers. Create high-quality videos. Invest in good equipment, such as a decent camera and microphone, to improve the production quality of your videos. Pay attention to lighting, audio, and editing techniques. Optimize your videos. Optimize your videos for search engines by using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This will improve your video's visibility and help attract more viewers. Promote your channel, share your videos on social media platforms, engage with your audience, and collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche to increase your reach and subscribers. Monetize your channel. Once you have a significant number of subscribers and views, you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program to monetize your channel. This can include ad revenue, sponsored content, merchandise sales, and more. Increase your income. Look for opportunities to increase your earning potential, such as pursuing a higher paying job, starting a side business, or investing in your education and skills. Control spending habits. Be mindful of your spending habits and avoid unnecessary expenses. Prioritize spending on essentials and cut back on non-essential purchases. This will free up more money to save and invest. It's important to remember that becoming a millionaire fast typically requires a combination of smart financial decisions, disciplined saving and investing, and time. Building wealth is a long-term process that requires patience, consistency, and a commitment to your financial goals.